Hello and welcome back to DIY Diecast. It's Wheel Swap Video again, and hey, I got a question for you. Don't you hate it when Hot Wheels takes one of their totally awesome mainline race cars with super great details, super great graphics? It's a race car, but they go trying to put gold wire wheels on it? Hot Wheels, this is not a 64 Impala. We do not need these gold wire wheels on here. We got to get them off and get something way better on here. This is the 96 Porsche Carrera. It's a mainline, and it is killer. The details and the graphics are absolutely awesome. We just don't need those lowrider rims on there. So we're going to get them off. I'm going to put you on pause, bring the tripod over here to the workshop table, and get started on this amazing transformation. Hang tight. Alright, here it is. It is, again, the 96 Porsche Carrera mainline Hot Wheels from HW, the 90 series, car 1 of 10. And as you can see, painted in tail lights, got the Carrera emblem. The graphics are absolutely stunning for a good-looking SCCA style race car. They didn't sadly color in the headlights and the front turn signals, but I'll take care of that with a toothpick and a little bit of touch-up paint. But we'll go ahead and get into this wheel swap transformation. Enjoy.